God sees you. When I rode the plane from Manila to Naga, nasa window side ako. Gusto ko umupo sa window side kasi I want to see what's down below. At sa dinami-dami kong plane rides, parang ngayon ko lang na-reflect, grabe kitang-kita yung terrain, kitang-kita yung city. Parang from a certain perspective, I saw everything. At alam mo, human as I am, na-appreciate ko yung view. Paano pa kaya yung Diyos? He sees everything and He loves His creation, lalong-lalo na ikaw. Kaya God sees you. God sees your struggles. God sees your difficulties. Nakikita ka niya at gusto ka niyang tulungan. Nakikita niya yung moments na umiiyak kang mag-isa. Nakikita niya yung desire mo para umangat sa buhay to uplift your family. God helps, but we need to ask for it. And it takes a certain humility to admit that we need help. Alam mo, kahit nakikita ng Diyos ang lahat, pero ikaw, nakikita ka din niya. Mahalaga ka sa mata ng Diyos. God loves you, so don't give up. Continue to move forward, continue to learn, and continue to fight in your struggles. One day, maaayos din yan. Aangat ka rin, and it's all because of the God who sees you. After all, everything is grace. Ang maganda pa dito, He doesn't only see you, but He is in you. Nasa sa iyo ang Diyos. Kaya as God sees you, look upon the Lord and say to Him, Lord, thanks for noticing me. I need you right now. My prayer for you is that you recognize God's blessings upon you. Kasi nandyan yan, hindi tumitigil ang Diyos sa kanyang gawain through you and in you. God